Hello. Now today we're going to start our Unit 6 lesson. So let's do this. Grab your pencil and make sure you have your crayons ready. Alright. Today's letters are P, Q, and R. P, Q, R. Alright. So this one, P, do you know what this is? That's right, it's a panda. Alright. How about her? Who is she? She is a queen. Q. Queen. And this is a ring. Ring. So, the sound that P makes is P. 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 Panda. P. Panda. P. 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 Okay? So P sounds like P. 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 Alright? Q, queen, sounds like Qu. 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 Queen. Queen. Qu. Okay? Alright. P. 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 Qu. Now. Ring. Ring. R sounds like R. R. Ring. Okay? R. Ring. P, 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 Qu, 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 R, R, R. Alright. Let's go to the next page here. Page 45. Get your pencils. Here we go. But I'm going to use a marker so you can see it better. I'm going to get my paper right here and we're going to start. So our first letter is P. P, 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 P has two lines. One, two. Well, that's pretty easy. Let's do it again, right here. One, two. Alright, now baby P is smaller. P, P. So you can do it with two lines, just like this one. One, two. Or you can do it like the book says, one. Either is okay. Alright, let's go to the next one. We have Q. Q. Oop, let me get my book here. It's caught. Alright, Q. Qua. Let's go ahead and draw our Q. Q is a O with a line. It's an O with a line. So there's our Q. Now, the baby Q is P turned around. Boop. Just like that. So we have a P this way, but we have a Q the opposite way. Okay? P has a straight line and Q has a curved line. Alright, you're doing good. So now, let's do letter R. Letter R looks like this. 1, 2. Let's try that again. 1, 2. Very nice. Let's do the little r. Now little r is very important. Okay? 1, and up. 1, and up. Don't do this. That is not an R. That is a V. We'll learn V later. An R is straight and then over. Just like that. Alright. So now you've got P, Q, and R finished. Let's match and write. Match and write. You're doing so good. We're doing this much faster now. Here we go. Match and write. What matches R? R. R. That's right. Ring. Oop. Very good. Ring. So where's baby R? Ah, very good. Right there. So we need to write both R's. 1. And then little 1. There we go. Big R, little r. So who is she? She's a queen. Which letter matches queen? Is it this one? No, it's not. That's a P. It's Q. Queen. Uh-oh. Which one is it? What's the little q? Very good. It's this one. So let's write them. O with a line, Q, and then down and up. Very nice R. So that means this guy is P. P. And what is he? Or she? What is she? She is a panda. All right. Big P, little p. Good job. Let's go to the next page. All right. Time to learn some new words. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. P sounds like P. 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 Okay? So that means this one is a panda, but you knew that. Panda. How about this? Do you know what this is? What is that? It's a pen. It's a pen. Do you know this? Yeah, everyone knows this. He's delicious. It's a pig. A pig. Panda, pen, pig. All right. Here we go. Q. Q. And she is a queen. Yay, a queen. Well, what is this? I've seen it before. Do you know what it is? It's a question mark. A question mark. Now, what is this? Shh. Shh. It's a quiet. Quiet. Queen. Question. Quiet. quiet. Very nice. Let's look here at the next one. R sounds like R, and this is a ring. A ring. So what is this? It's a rabbit. A rabbit. Ring, rabbit. Do you know what this is? What is this? It is a what? It's a robot. All right. Good job. Ring, rabbit, robot. All right. Good job. Let's find and color on page 47. 47. Right here. 47. Okay. So find and color. Find and color. So we need to color what starts with the letter P. Ah, it's a panda. A panda. Yay. Got us a panda. Yay. Okay, how about number 2? What starts with Q? Do you know what starts with Q? Qua. Quiet. Quiet. Do you remember which picture is quiet? Where is it? Very good, it's right here. How about number 3? Number 3. What letter goes with the picture? R goes with pen? No. R go with queen? No. R matches robot. Robot. Alright. Here we go. Listen and circle. Listen and circle. Number 1 is pig. Pig. Which one is pig? Ooh, very good. P. Number 2. Which one is rabbit? Rabbit. Rabbit. Ah, little r. Little r. How about number 3? Which one is robot? Robot. Ah, big R. Good job. How about number 4? Which one is pen? Pen. Right here? No. It's this one. P. That's qua. Q. Here we go. Number 5. Which one starts with question? Question. Which one is question? There it is. Big Q. And how about number 6? Which one starts ring? Ring. Ah, you thought it was going to be Q, didn't you? It's R. Ring. Awesome. Let's go to the next page. Oh, it's a story. All right, we get to read. Here we go. Let's look at the bottom. Let's look down here at the bottom. Our first word is B. 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 Next one is I. I. B. I. The next one is like. Like. B I like. Like. Now, this one is my. My. B I like my. My. This one's very important. Please. 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 B I like my. Please. Here we go. This is says. 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 B I like my. Please. Please. Says. Says. Do you remember this one? What is this one? It's the. The. Good job. You remembered it. It's the. Here we go. Let's look at the story. The. What is that? The panda. Good. The panda says, I like my. What is that? The panda says, I like my. It's a pen. The panda says, I like my pen. All right. Who is that? The rabbit. Good. The rabbit says, I like my pen. Good. The panda says, I like my pen. The rabbit says, I like my pen. So this is the robot. The robot says, I like, good job, my pen. My pen. Here we go. B, shh. B, shh. Quiet. Good. Quiet. Be quiet. Please. Be quiet, please. Says the queen. Good. I like my ring. All right. I like my ring. Great job. Here we go. Page 49. You're doing so good. Wow. We went really fast. Look at that. We're almost done. So here we go. I want you to trace these 4 times. 4 times. Here we go. P. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1. Go slow. Make them perfect. 1. There it is. Now one more. One more, right here. P. P. Very good job. Now I want you to finish number 2 for queen and number 3 ring 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time. Make it really nice. Okay? Make it really nice. Good job. Here we go. It's time for the workbook. So grab your workbook and let's go to chapter 6, page 36. Page 36. All right, page 36. Now, let's circle and write. Circle and write. Number 1, panda. P. P, 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 P. So I want you to do 1, 2, ooh, not 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do all of these, but write the letters 1 time. You're so smart. Just 1 time. I'll wait for you. Go ahead. How are you doing? Are you doing good? Let's check. Number 2 is question. Question. So question is Q. Good. Number 3 is lion. Lion. So number 3 is L. 4 is a kangaroo. A kangaroo. K. All right. Number 5 is a ring. A ring. Number 6 is a nut. A nut. Number 7 is a jet. Jet. Number 8 is a rabbit. A rabbit. Number 9, she is a queen. A queen. This is an octopus. An octopus. Number 11 is a... What's number 11? Number 11 is a pen. Good job. And number 12, what is he? He's a mouse. Yes, M for mouse. Let's go to page 37. 37. All right, here we go. 37. Page 37. Match. We need to match the letter to the picture. K to key. So I want you to match 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Match all of them to the picture. I'll wait and we'll see if you got them all correct. You're doing very good. We are going quick today. This is getting easier for you. Did you get all 8? Let's check. Number 2, L. L goes with lamp. Lamp. M goes with map. Map. N goes with net. Net. Good job. How about O? O goes with ostrich. Ostrich. P goes to, that's right, pig. Pig. Q goes to quiet. And R goes to robot. Robot. Good job. Here we go. Circle the correct picture. Circle the correct picture. Which picture goes with the letter P? P. That's right. It's this one. Good job. How about number 2? What goes with the letter Q? Q. Ooh, it's not ring. It's not nest. It's question. Question. Good job. Here we go. Number 3. Number 3. It starts with the letter R. What starts with the letter R? It's rabbit. Nice job. Here we go. Let's go to the next page. You're doing so good. I'm very impressed. Here we go. Write the beginning letter. Write the beginning letter. So go ahead and do number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can do it. Write each letter 2 times. Okay? 2 times. Are you finished? No, you need some more time. I'll wait for you. Here we go. Let's check. Number 2 is a pig. a pig. So P and little p. Big P and little p. Alright, let's check number 3. Do you remember number 3? It was from a while ago. It sounds like J. J. Jacket. Yeah, you remembered. Big J, little j. So we need to do one more J here. Big J, little j. Okay. Do you remember what number 4 is? It's a N. A nut. Good. N. N. Big N. Little n. Here we go. Do you remember what number 5 is? That's right, it's an octopus. Good job. Big O, little o. Big O, little o. Number 6 is a lion. A lion. What letter? It's an L. A little L. Big L, little L. Good job. Let's color in the letters. Here we go. Color the beginning letters. Number 1 is a ring. Which letters are ring? That's right, it's an R. And a little r. Good. Number 2 is a question. A question. Do you remember what letters start the word question? That's right, it's a Q. Is it this one or this one? Which one is the baby Q? Ah, that's right, it's this one. Good job. How about 3? Panda. Panda. It's a P and a P. Good job. You're doing so good. Here we go. Let's go to page 39. 39. Look at that. We get to draw, and we have one more page left. Wow, we're doing this so fast. You are getting good at this book. Here we go. Match and write. Match and write. 2 pictures have the same sound. Ostrich and ox have the same sound. So match and then write the letters. See if you can match the last 3. I'll wait for you. Take your time. Try and remember what everything is. Did you finish? Did you match them all? All right, let's check. Number 1 is a rabbit. And rabbit matches robot. Rabbit, robot. R. All right. How about number 2? What matches number 2? Pen. Pig. Good. Pig is delicious. P and little p. So that means this matches this. And number 4 is a, who is she? Who is number 4? A queen. Good. And this is shh. Quiet. The letter Q. Great job. Now we can read and draw. Let's read and draw together. What picture do we want to draw with P? I don't know. What do you want to draw? I really like bacon, so I'm gonna draw a pig. Here we go. I'm gonna draw a pig. He's got a big nose. Big nose. He's got a smile. He's a happy pig. He's a happy pig. And then he's got his head here. Whoop. And he's got an ear. And then he's got another part of his head there. And put that there. He's got another ear here. Well, he's kind of funny looking. That's a really crazy pig. But we need some eyes and some eyebrows. There we go. We got that. Big eye. A big eye. A big eye. Oh, he's a cute pig. With some crazy big nose. Ooh, look at that. Oink oink. We've got a pig. What are we going to draw with Q? Q. Well, we could draw a queen. We could draw quiet. But I'm going to draw a question mark. Because that's easy. Yay. Do-do-do. 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 Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. We've got a question mark. An ugly question mark, but we have a question mark. Yay. All right. Let's look at number 3. We have to draw something that starts with the letter R. The letter R. What do we want to draw? I know, a robot. I'm going to draw a robot. Here we go. Go. And he's got a crazy arm. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. But he's professional. So he has funny little necktie on. He's a handsome robot. Alright, let's go to the last page. One more page and you are finished. Here we go. I want you to write all of the letters 1, 2, 3, and then again 1, 2, 3. Okay? Q, 1, 2, 3, and then Q, 1, 2, 3. R, 1, 2, 3, and R, 1, 2, 3. Now P, Q, R, I want you to write it 3 times, just like we always do. And then the baby P, Q, and R 3 times, okay? 3 times for everything, except this part. I want you to do this part 1 time, okay? M, N, O, P, Q, R, and do it one more time. M, N, O, P, Q, and R. Do the same down here. 1 and 1. And you're finished. Do all of this and then go outside and play. Have some fun. I'll see you next time for Unit 7. Goodbye.